These have arrived from China, and I'm going to show you how to assemble your own NATO straps. Let's have a look at what we've got. So we've got, first of all, Apple Watch strap adapters. These allow you to attach regular watch straps to your Apple Watch. And we have some NATO style straps. Now these are NATO straps with a buckle. The reason obviously we want these, not traditional NATO straps, is so they don't cover the sensor at the back. So if we open this up, so we can see exactly what we're going to be doing here. Now some people said to me, why are you assembling them yourself instead of buying them pre-assembled? Well, one of the reasons is the quality. These are the widest NATO straps I could find and come in at 24 millimeter. Okay, all the other NATO straps for Apple Watches I found on eBay, AliExpress, etc. were maybe 5 mil smaller. And the corresponding watch strap adapters, bought in the same size to fit these perfectly. So dead simple. We take an adapter, take our strap pin, push the little ends in, clip it in, which bit's not so easy, especially with short nails. Okay, so that's one. Okay. Now obviously take care with the top and bottom. On this strap it doesn't matter because it's the same either side. Yeah, it is. But obviously this one does matter. The silver bit denotes the bottom of the watch, so it will be fit. It will want to fit it like that to this bit of the strap. I got both of these from different sellers. I'm not going to list the sellers, but look on AliExpress for NATO watch band, and then look on AliExpress for Apple Watch strap adapter to the watch and see how we do. I'm left-handed, so I wear my straps back to front. Yep, nice click. Yep, nice click. Smart, I think that was pretty good. One thing I failed to say about these particular straps is the thickness of them. Some of them on eBay are very, very thin. This one comes in at 3 mil. So it's quite a thick, good quality strap. There we go. I think that's pretty nice. Total cost, well, this one, the grey NATO strap, the 4 adapters in total, including delivery, came to, I think it was £4.30. So I'd say that's a pretty good bargain. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope it's helped.